Welcome back, dear children. So, we are just a recap of what we learned in the last session. So, do you like to be always told what to do, dear? No, definitely no, isn't it? So, you all know what to do and what not to do, right? You all are grown up children, isn't it? So, you will understand the situation and you'll act accordingly. Good. So Michael was the author of this poem. When he was 5 years old, his mother took him to the nearby school for admission. At that time, one teacher asked him, "What does your mother call you at home?" For that, what is the Michael's answer? Michael, don't. Children, do you have any experience like this? Your mother is saying, always don't do that, don't do this always, all this. If so, you just speak and share it with me. Okay? So, Chivvy is to nag, to continuously urge someone to do something, often in an annoying way. So, dislike. Grown-ups say things like, speak up. Anna, please say along with me. Grown-ups say things like, speak up, don't talk with your mouth full, don't stare, don't point, don't pick your nose, sit up, say please, less noise, shut the door behind you, don't drag your feet. Haven't you got a hanky? Take your hands out of your pocket. Pull your socks up, stand up straight, say thank you, don't interrupt. No one thinks you're funny. Take your elbows off the table. This is what we read before. So, can't you make your own mind up about anything? Can't you? This is a question raised by the author to you. Can't you make your own mind? Yes, we can. So, morning 6 o'clock, you have to wake up means you have to fix in your mind that I have to wake up at 6 o'clock. I have to go and play tennis. All these instructions should be there in your mind. Without alarm, you will wake up. Your mind is strong. If it is registered in your mind. Okay. So can't you make your mind up? Yes, we can. I hope children, you too can. Right? So Michael Rosen is the author. Now the homework for you is search about Michael Rosen, okay, and write a few lines about him. What is the homework today? Michael Rosen. Search about Michael Rosen and write a few lines about it. And you have to finish your classwork for this poem also. Right? Discuss these questions in small groups before you answer them. When is grown-up like you to say this? Don't talk with your mouth full. When they'll say this word. Yes, dear? A grown-up is likely to say this when the child speaks loudly. When the child speaks loudly, they'll say, don't talk with your mouth full. That means talk slowly, talk softly. So when you're likely to be told this, say thank you. When the child is given something, that means given in the sense they are receiving something. He is likely to be told, say thank you. When do you think an adult would say this? No one thinks you're funny. When an adult say these words, when a child is trying to catch the attention. Most of the children you have seen in your class, they'll try to catch the attention of others. They'll try to attract by saying jokes or by fighting with others also. Somebody will do that, or going on speaking something. So all these happens in our day-to-day life, An adult would say these words when the child is trying to catch the attention. Last two lines of the poem are not prohibitions or instructions. What is the adult now asking the child to do? The last two lines. What is the last two lines? Yes, we will go back and see what is the last. Can't you make your own mind up about anything? What is the last two lines? Once again, can't you make your mind up about anything? Can't you make your mind up about anything? So what does this wording says? What is the adult now asking the child to do actually? Do you think the poet is suggesting that this is unreasonable? So what about these two lines? Come on. Yes, yeah. Fantastic. That's correct answer. In these lines, the adult is asking the child to behave like an. Actually, a child has to be like a child. Right? The child's own behavior will be there. But what an adult is expecting, the adult is asking the child to behave like an adult itself. The poet is rightly suggesting that this is most unreasonable. This is unreasonable. The truth is that the child is not allowed to make up her own mind. Anyway, the child is not allowed to make up her. No need to do all these. Let the child be like that and they will learn on their own. Okay. Why do you think grown-ups say the kind of things mentioned in the poem? Why your mother is saying, don't stare, don't look at it. Say thank you, say please, all these words. Why grown-ups are saying? Not only mother, all adults. Is it important that they teach children good manners and how to behave in public? Is that so? What is your idea? So the grown-up says such things with different intention. So most of the time, they are trying to teach the children what is good manners. Teach children a good manners. They tell him how to behave in public. They consider it as their duty to do so. So it is very important for them. Adults' important duty is to take care of the children. For that only we all are living. We all are living to take care of the younger ones. Right? For their safety, for their upliftment, everything. Our parents work for us and we are working for you. Right? And you will work for the next generation. This is how life goes on. Here, grown-ups say such things with different intention. One is they are trying to teach you a good manners. And the next is they are telling you how to behave in public. And adults consider that this is their duty, main and important duty for them. Okay. So these are the three things which an adult will think to make you right. Next is question number 4. If you had to make some rules for grown-ups to follow, they are giving us so many rules, isn't it? So if you want to say some rules and regulation, what you will say? Yes? At least 5 rules. Don't talk. Don't give instruction to us, isn't it? So that will be the first and foremost rule. So give me snacks always. Don't give me sambar rice. So many instructions you will give. And here are some rules for the grown-ups. Let us see. And you can write whatever rules you want to give to your grown-ups. Maybe your father, mother, uncle, auntie, or whoever is there who is giving instruction, you can give them what the rules and regulations for them. Don't talk to your child loudly. Don't talk to your child loudly. Listen to him when he says something. So always listen to the child when he is saying something. Very good. I too agree with this point. Take him with you whenever you go to a party. Ask him his preference about food. Don't disturb him during his favorite TV program. Okay. So these are the rules and regulations that a child is going to give for the grown-ups. What is that? Don't talk to your child loudly. Listen to him when he says something. Take him with you whenever you go for party. Ask him his preference about food. Don't disturb him during his favorite TV program. Is there any other rules you want to follow? I mean, you want your grown-ups to follow, you can include in this. Okay. So, word ball. Grown-up is elderly. With your mouth full, loudly. Stare. Look long and intently. Pick your nose. Put finger in your nose. So, now these are the extra questions I want you to attend and try out before I am saying the answer. Okay. First question is, first you have to read the paragraph. From the paragraph, I will give you extract. From that extract, we will ask you question. Okay. Grown-ups say things like, speak up, don't talk with your mouth full, don't stare, don't point, don't pick your nose. This is first paragraph. So, it is a habit of grown-ups to counsel the youngsters. They keep instructing the child to speak up even when the child doesn't want to make a reply. Even the child doesn't want any suggestion also, they will go on giving the instruction. They further advise him not to talk loudly and that he should not stare at anything. Further, he is told not to point fingers at anybody and also never to dig his fingers in his nose. So the question is, the instructions are given so that 4 options are there. The children misbehave in discipline. Children become mature. Children learn good manners. The first option seems absurd, so leave that. Rest of the 3 you can consider. Misbehave, indiscipline, became mature, all these doesn't suit here. So the children learn good manners. That is what is the answer. The instructions are given so that the children learn good manners. Who have the habit of always instructing the child? Mothers, parents. All seems to be correct. But actually, authors said commonly grown-ups. Grown-ups in the sense, all, whether he or she is a sister, brother, all grown-ups will do this. Okay, not only mother, parents. Why not uncle, auntie? All grown-ups will say this. How far are the instructions liked by the children? They are not liked by most children. They are liked by most children. They are not liked by some children. They are liked by none of the children. They are not liked by most children. Some children are there which they will accept anything, everything, whatever they are saying. But most of the children will not like this. Okay, children, these are the examples. Okay, example questions which we will ask in online exam. So, prepare yourself for that only. We are asking you and showing you these kind of question. One more question, last question we will discuss. No. Thank you, dear.